talking on a couple of companies within the broader markets. We have Sushil Gupta, the chairman at Richa Industries, joining in on the phone line to talk about how the company has received Research, Design and Standards Organization approval from the Ministry of Railways. Mr. Gupta, hi, thank you very much for joining in. What does this mean for the company?
It basically will open up avenues for the railways because we have basically made a lot of foray into infrastructure sector, and railways, we are seeing there's a lot of future there in that. So in the next year we are targeting that a lot of business should come from the railways itself.
Okay. Good afternoon, Mr. Gupta. In the press release, you've indicated that the company will go via this, perhaps with the joint venture route. Have you identified a joint venture partner? What is the kind of commitment Richa Industries is willing to put in financially? And have you been shortlisted for any railways tenders?
No, we haven't been shortlisted so far because this RDSO requirement was the basic first requirement before we could have been shortlisted. And we have not tied up so far with any company. But as such, Richa Industries itself is fully capable of taking care of the jobs.
Okay. Can you just tell us how much have you, do you already work for the railways before this?
No, we haven't worked for the railways. Indirectly, yes, some jobs we have done, but we have not worked directly.
Okay, so this... Sure.
What's your expectation of the kind of revenues you could get from the railways in the next 2 years till this approval is valid?
We expect in the next year itself around 100 crore rupees turnover from the railways itself.
Okay. Where else do you get orders from? What other segments do you work in? And we do understand that you won an order from the Bihar State Building Construction Corporation worth around 26 crores. Tell us what that order comprises of and what maybe your pipeline looks like.
That's basically, we are providing a turnkey solution to the warehousing industry, whereby in Bihar, we have already been working with Bihar Warehousing Corporation around 110 crore rupees worth of project. This is another 26 crore rupees from Bihar Warehousing Corporation. And on top of it, we are also working in infrastructure with BHEL. In Agra, we are working around 48 crore rupees of projects. That's basically power grid project.
Okay, Mr. Gupta, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining in. So that's Richa Industries venturing into the railway segment and hoping for revenues of close to about 100 crore from the railways in the next 12 months.